Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services, and I welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. And today's topic of discussion is Renewable Energy Microgrid, which was recently unveiled by the Ministry of IT. I'll tell you the detail. This is important specifically for both prelims and mains examination. You need to know why renewable energy grid is important, specifically when it comes to the part of the energy distributions in the remote area or in the rural area. So this can be a game changer, right? So we'll understand the part for renewable energy microgrid and what are microgrids in general, everything. So without any further delay, let's get started. Just to give you the background, the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology has launched the Renewable Energy Microgrid Power Plant for the electricity, basically the electricity energy requirement of the rural community. So this will ensure that the part of the diversion of the electricity is there specifically for the rural community as well. And the technology has been developed by C-DAC, Thiruvananthapuram, as a part of the National Mission for Power Electronic Technology Program. Right? You can even read out the detail about the National Mission on Power Electronic Technology Program. If I'll elaborate here, it will be a longer video. So just Google it, see the main target that is there, that is set for your mains folder point. Now, what is microgrid? How does it actually function? So as you see the part of the concept of the microgrid, these are the group of interconnected load. I'll show you an image that will make things more clear for you in a while. Now, this interconnected load and distributed energy resources that act as a single controllable entity with respect to the grid. So it is more of a diversion that take place from a single grid. Now, microgrids are local power grids that can be operated independently of the part of the main electricity grid in an area. So it is more of a distributions that take place. And microgrid can be used as a single building for the collections of part, and it can use in industrial park, university campuses, military base, and neighborhood. Now, just to give you an idea, how does the microgrids actually look like and the functioning and how the distributions take place. So you can see the examples. This is microgrid controller. It has the distributions for clean energy, heat and power, generators, battery storage, electric grid, home and facility. So these are the combinations of images, combinations of diversion that can have with the microgrid. Now the other part, that is the movement of energy in microgrid. So this is a utility grid from which a microgrid is generated and the energy is transfers vice versa. Upon that, the microgrid get the things in the stored part. Then again, there is a part for generator, which further move on to residential and electronic vehicle. And the generator help in the part for commercial and public transport and even for the renewable energy. So this is a kind of a movement of energy that usually take place in a microgrid. Now, renewable energy microgrid की अगर बात करें, this is what our focus is. So, renewable energy microgrid is an autonomous, localized and self-contained energy system that is operating in the renewable energy as its primary generations input. So, this ensures that sustainability of the usage is also taken into consideration. Now, the other point that the off-grid mode of the operations of a microgrid, it generate, store, distribute the electricity within specific area community, and even in the area को prioritize की गई है for the renewable energy, that will be also there. And this aims to minimize the part of reliance on fossil fuel and reduce the environmental impact. Now you can connect this point with the net zero emissions, which India has actually set the target, right? So net zero emissions target is for 2070 under the Panchamrit initiative, and there are a lot more other targets that government of India has set at the global platform. So this microgrid initiative by the states, by the center, will also help to achieve the target at the earliest. Now on the part of the grid mode, the microgrid will be interactive with the part of utility grid and export power if the generation is excess, what is locally needed, right? So this is the part of the renewable energy microgrid. And if you look at the part for the, specifically for the renewable energy, it has its utility in the utility grid, home and facilities, generators, electronic vehicles, energy storage, renewable energy and heat and power. This is the actual distributions which goes hand on hand. Now, why are microgrids needed? What are the significant part? What are the part of the advantages that it will have? So microgrid will enhance the grid resilience to more extreme weather or the cyber attack. It can also provide power in a remote area to have no access to electricity. The pockets where the part of the electricity generation and even the wiring is not there, this microgrid will help to get the part of the electricity done and even providing a resort to the last mile. The microgrids are continuously powered. Individual buildings, neighborhood, entire cities, and even surrounding the microgrid suffer as an outage. Right? So this is the reason why microgrid can be a game changer, considering the fact it ensures the sustainability of the environment and even help the remote area so that the electricity is provided to the region. So this was all about for the topic. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services on YouTube. Do give us a thumbs up. We'll meet in the next session with some of the important information relevant for the examination. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching.